Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. What is climate? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. While some changes are natural, since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver. This includes burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Causes of climate change. The primary causes of climate change are 1. Greenhouse gas emissions. Burning fossil fuels for energy and transportation releases carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane, CH4, trapping heat in the atmosphere. 2. Deforestation. Cutting down forests reduces the planet's capacity to absorb CO2. 3. Industrial processes. Certain industrial activities release additional greenhouse gases. Effects of climate change. 1. Rising temperatures. Global temperatures are increasing, leading to more heat waves. 2. Melting ice caps. Glaciers and polar ice caps are shrinking, contributing to rising sea levels. 3. Extreme weather. Increased frequency and intensity of storms, droughts, and floods. 4. Impact on wildlife. Many species are struggling to adapt to changing habitats. Importance of addressing climate change. 1. Protecting ecosystems. Healthy ecosystems are vital for biodiversity and human well-being. 2. Human health. Reducing pollution can decrease respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. 3. Economic stability. Investing in renewable energy can create jobs and reduce the economic impact of climate-related disasters. 4. Future generations. Ensuring a livable planet for future generations is our responsibility. We all have a role to play in combating climate change. From reducing our carbon footprint to supporting sustainable practices, every action counts. Let's work together for a healthier, more sustainable future. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's make a change.